Hi everyone, we have a big unboxing today. Let's go dive into. We have three major things today, like three of the very hyped perfume. They are popular, and in some context, they wax oil, they perfume oil. So what are they? Let's reveal them. We have just received delivery from Nautica. Here first comes Yara, Lattafa Yara. This is for the ladies, and it has a very good review. We will try out how does it work. We have then this one, the big boy, the star. This is called Club Nuit Intense Man from aroma, and it has a high reputation of being called as the very close copy of Creed Aventis, and this is somehow true. This is very close, so I have tasted the original one also. And then here comes Nautica Voyage, a very good perfume in a low price point. I did not try it before, but today I will try to get how and why this perfume is so popular. It has some freshness kind of smell, and it relates mostly with debit of cool water. So we have three perfume to review today. To see individual review, please you need to watch individual video which I will upload. So here is the unboxing video for today, and I will upload separate videos for each of them. So try to catch it on next videos. Thank you so much.